See you a little bit later.
Alright, that sounds good.
Yep. Take care. See you tonight, hopefully.
This is massive.
This is it. So right in here we have
This
the
is-
master suite.
Wow.
And then I check out the bathroom there too. We get the jacuzzi tub and a walk-in closet here. So this is kind of unique, I guess, to the boat having the master forward.
It is beautiful. It's massive.
Big, 76 long and 39, just about 39 wide. So you can see they use this space.
It's quite something.
And then I'll let you walk. I won't get any way down here. Okay. So we have a day head, and then to the left would be the VIP cabin. It's a nice, quiet cabin. Beds at various stages, some up, some down.
All right.